doing a 60s beehive, and a good tip to start is if you've got freshly washed hair, put some mousse in it and it helps give hair a really nice grip when you're backcombing. I'm going to start with powder, which you put in the root of the hair, and it just gives volume and it makes backcombing easier as well. Next step is to take a comb and backcomb. You take the backcombing all the way down to the middle of the back of the head. I always leave the front section unbackcombed all around the hairline, and that way once you're done you can smooth it and the front looks really soft. So I take my pins and create my shape. Last step is to spray into place. As a top tip at the end, use the end of your tail comb to just check your shape.